What's good? What's good? Sorry for being late. I had to get everything all set up again on my other computer. It's been a wild few days here live at the BDH. If you guys enjoyed the last few days, well, it's only going to get better. What's good? What's good? It's Fresh Cash Friday. We are live by myself here at the BDH. It's weird. It's weird because I'm like, who am I going to talk to today? I guess I got to talk to the chat. I guess I got to talk to chat today. Good morning. Good morning. It's time to party. Time to party, chat. That's right. Right now, the Nasdaq down there to the previous day low here at the 740 area. Big little move down here from 800, 820 area down there at 740s. And we're getting ready. Market open up here. A little early today as well, just kind of jumping in here early. I got to the BDH a little early, so I thought I'd hang out with you guys a little early. So right now, the Nasdaq just dipping. Will we get some good moves here today? Fresh Cash Friday. You know how we do it. Lock in that profit. See profit, take profit, make money. Profit is profit. We got a pivot point down there, 709s, 19,709 here on the Nasdaq currently. Whoa. What is happening here, Nasdaq? Where are you going? Nasdaq just dumping straight down there. Pivot point? We going for the pivot point here? Wow. Market's getting hot before the market even opens. You gotta love that. Yeah, gotta love when that happens. Right down there to the pivot point for now. What a move. What a move here. Still going lower, 19,700 now. Got the ES, the Nasdaq, everything pulling back here. Down to the pivot for now. Good Lord. I saw Dung Do in the chat talking about shorts. Nice work to Dung Do there. Dung Do in the chat. The man, the myth, the legend. He disappears for a few months and then he comes back and just drops money in the chat. Oh. Baby. You guys enjoy the Nutty Bar Alpine Trader experience here? I thought it was pretty fun. Had a good time. It definitely made trading a lot more fun. Having all the boys here. Having all the boys here. I'm sure we'll do something similar very soon. I talked to Brett Simba about coming in next week, doing some live trading from the BDH here, talking about Tradeify and all that. So we got more guests coming. It's just the beginning. Just the beginning. Right now, Nasdaq down there to the pivot point there. To the pivot point for now. Market making moves before market open. Making moves before the market open here. Wow. Wow. Down there through the 19,700s, just going straight down. Still going 690s now. Big move down here before the market even opens. Right there at that pivot point, 700 pivot point for now. Stuck there below the 700s. Get back above the 700s. Maybe try to push back up here a little bit before market open. But right now, just straight down, Junior. Big 15-minute candle just drop from the 800s, 100 points there before market open. Gotta love that. 100-point drop before the market opens. Trump making trading great again. Make trading great again. Right there at the pivot point now. There's that pivot point right there at the 710s. Big drop down here on the 15-minute chart. See if we get some pushback up here with the pivot point right there now. Should be good now, no, with the music. Nathan Fuller, 50K eval passed. You stay on my mind, think about you all the time. You know you well. I will tell. All right. Just hanging out here, watching the big drop. Missed out on that big short. It's no fun. Just logged on to the live stream here, checked out the big short, and boom.
Sure can't be Nasdaq. Some changes and same. Why is that covered in snow? The same kind of mountain? That looks like the same kind of water I've seen for cloud number 1, cloud number 2, cloud number 3. Oh yeah, it says Nasdaq. What's that say? Mars project. Chevy couldn't have said it better. Car-sized rover. Oh boy. Cars.
Doing nothing right now, just relaxing here. It's hard to. I missed out on this big old kind of bear flag breakdown there. That would have been the trade. Now I'm just not too sure. Do I want to get short right here, continue, or after missing out on this big move? It is pre-market. It's not ideal. The market's not even open yet. Oh, still moving down here through the 700s again. So annoying. I mean, if it wasn't, you know, 8 o'clock, 8:50 in the morning, I'd be a little bit more excited about shorting here, but trying to stay out of this pre-market action here. Trying to stay out of this pre-market action here. Big move down, kind of already missed out on that setup there. We had the triangle as well with the Lux Algo price action concepts kind of mapped out. That bearish momentum descending triangle. Actually set it right there on the Lux Algo price action concepts indicator. It says descending triangle. Look for a bearish move to the downside here. And there she goes, still moving down. Just hard to get short after missing out on that 100-point move down. I don't know. I think that would be qualify as a little bit of FOMO here. Patrick, have you tried Bolinex? I have not. I just got my live accounts with Tradeify. Just got my new live funded accounts working with Tradeify here. We're up actually already on the day. We're in the green here. Crazy too, because I shorted earlier there at the 8:15s just to try to get a little scalp in for this move down and then kind of the pop back up. But on the day, this is the live account, the balances and what we have. So we starting out with about 27,500 in these accounts. And then today we've locked in $500 per account. So these are live funded accounts with Tradeify. We got two of them, and we're funded, I guess, live funded here at Tradeify now. My goal with these accounts is just to kind of, you know, just let them ride, baby. Let them ride. Make some money. Be consistent with these accounts. The BDH feels so empty today. Feels so empty. Nutty Bar, come back. Nutty Bar, come back. Alpine, come back. We can be friends still. We can be friends. Come back. Come back. Turn back time. I'm not gonna get suckered into this pre-market stuff right now. I'm not doing it. I ain't doing it. I am not doing it. The day there's still way too much time. Too much time today to get suckered into this bullshit. I am not doing it. You are not going to convince me to get in here. Or maybe. tell me why. Bye. 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 Big move here before market open. Big move so far. Chat GPT witching day tips. Witching day. It is OPEX. Bunch of contracts expiring today. Tends to cause a lot of volatility. Causes a lot of volatility. Hourly chart breaking the downside here. Down here are the 690s. After the 690 area, you're looking at 19,388 pivot point to the downside there for the Nasdaq now. So could be a big red day here. Either way, we're going to stay patient. Stay patient and ride the move. Trade the trade. Don't worry about what day it is. Don't worry about who told you what. Just look to trade the action when we get it. But 19,400 area would be kind of where we move to if we start to lose this 690 area. Something to think about. Right now, 19,680. The Nasdaq's sitting there right now. Sitting there. Just sitting there. No. Also, by the way, Apex is 80% off right now. That's right. 80% off with Apex currently. 1 day to pass. It doesn't end tonight. That freaking graphic. I need to find the right graphic here. Hold on. Try this one. Fuck. Try this one. Oh, definitely not that one. Oh, God. I hate my life. There we go. Now we got the right one. Patrick, you are destined for greatness. Your birthday says it all. Well, I think I've already become great. I don't know if I'm destined. I think I've already been destined. Patrick, are you now friends with ICT? Oh yeah, baby, we're best friends. I think we might even just start hanging out on the weekends. True story. I dream of one day shorting, you know, like these hourly candles, shorting this hourly bear flag and then riding that motherfucker down for 500 points. I dream of that day. Trading the hourly candles, that would be fun. One day when I grow, when I go through puberty. What does the Lux Algo said? It says symmetrical triangle, either a break to the downside or to the upside there, but we had the descending triangle on the 15-minute chart. Tori trades. She don't do shit. Get out of here. Tory Trades couldn't trade herself out of a paper bag. And don't be like, but what are you talking about, Peter? She's so good. Get out of here. Don't even mention her name anywhere near me. I'm in a totally different fucking, I'm in the stratosphere. I'm in another fucking planet, universe. I'm on another fucking planet. We are not the same. We are not the same. Patrick, get ICT on the chat or in the BDH. I invited him. He said he's got some health issues. He's getting old. Sucks getting old. Wow, we got a dung don't and a dung do in the chat now. Things are getting crazy. Things are too many dungs in the chat. A lot of dungs. John Burrows says that my trailing drawdown video that I made the other day has helped him a ton. Well, you know, hey, I'm just here entertaining and dropping little nuggets of info along the way. Nasdaq still just kind of bleeding out right now. We broke this big old bear flag up there and moved right down there to the 660s. Big move here before the market even opened. Oh, Lord. What does that mean? Do we get a big move day? Do we get chop? Do we get action? Get action here today. We just need some action. I don't care which way it goes. Just go up, go down. We like it either way. Right now, the ES also just dwindling down here. ES had a big bear flag. We had a bear flag on the ES, a bear flag on the Nasdaq, and look at that move down here so far. ES still making new lows. You got Monday's low down there at the 650s on the ES, pivot point at the 637s. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Still got plenty of time, 26 minutes till the market opens. You run around me. I get those goosebumps every time the Nasdaq goes up and down. Nasdaq right now just holding up here at this support level. 690s for now, or 670 area, 660s. It's Fresh Cash Friday, but who knows where she goes next. Big move down here before market open. Is it a trap? Is it a trap? That's what I want to know. Is it a trap? Is it a trap? Trying to not get trapped here. The goal for Fresh Cash Friday is to not lose money. Even a small green day on a Friday is a good day. All right, let's keep it let's keep it nice and easy today, boys. Nothing crazy, nothing out of pocket. You know? Bye 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 bye. Ooh, smooth chill beats. I like it. We're getting some smooth, cool beats here on a Friday. Patrick Wieland, I like your style, bro. You're a small potato for me, but very entertaining. What does that even mean? What the fuck's a potato? The fuck is a small potato? Is that like a dig? Are you trying to like dig at me? Hey Patrick, you're a small potato. I'm some random fucking idiot on the internet and you're a small potato. Haha, got you. The fuck? I mean, the fact that you're here and if I'm a small potato, then you must be the little pube on the potato, because that's literally what you just admitted to. You just admitted to it. I'm a small potato and you're a potato pube. $650 area right now, holding up here, but it's just it's hard to get short down here. Yo. You what? Yeah. Yep. Yep. What are you gonna do? Yeah. Yeah, if you can start at 11 it'd be better. Yeah, perfect. Thank you. Yeah. Yep. Perfect. Thank you. Still going. 658. Dung Do, what do you got? Signal? 647. Stop loss. You're looking for a long here, Dung Do? What is it when he says, when Dung Do says signal locked, what does that mean? But you said your stop is 647. How is your stop loss lower than the price if you're short? I'm so confused. I don't know if I'd be shorting here. I don't like shorting at the bottom of the move. Personally. But what do I know? Nothing. Bro, what the fuck? I mean, even if it goes down here, it's just not like a very high probability setup. Especially pre-market. Just don't like it. I don't like it. I'm gonna wait for a market open either way. Let the market open up here. I don't want to like fucking fuck around pre-market, end up losing, and then end up going on tilt at open and dealing with that on having a red day on a Friday. So being patient. I mean, if I was going to get short, I should have gotten short there at 8:30. Missed out on that move. That's the one thing that I think I've learned a lot as well is if I miss out on a move like this, you know, a good move like that, if I miss out on that type of move, it's like, do I really want to try to jump in down here? You know, not really. Even if it goes lower, it's just like, just FOMOing into it at that point. It's a less probability, a lower probability trade, shorting down here at the lows right now, but clearly it's working. It's going lower still. What time do I get on? Normally I get on at 9 o'clock. I got on a little bit earlier this morning at 8:30. And right when I got on live, it fucking started tanking. And I missed out on that big old move down. So, being patient. There will be plenty of opportunities to make money today, my friends. There is no rush. We're not here to be right. We're not here to make money on every move. We're here to just wait for our setups to take them and then lock in the profits. So that's what we will continue to do. I mean, even if I'm bearish here, it's still like there's plenty of room to the downside here. There's a pivot point there at the 536s, and then last week's low is all the way down there, 19,335. So plenty of room here. We're trying to have a nice, relaxing, fresh cash Friday here. That's my goal. Nice and relaxing. I want to take some nice, relaxed trades where I just see the setup, I take the setup, I make the money, and then I'm happy. You know, that's the goal here today. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Dung is long. He must be listening to me. Dung do. Why do you do what you do? Dung do. Dung do. Why do you do what you do? Why do you do Dung do. I mean, they dipped it down there to the below the 650s. Kind of chopping around down here for now, going into open. We got about 13 minutes. No real big news drivers. Looks like Nike's down 8% on the day. Nike taking a hit overnight here. They had earnings last night, I believe. I mean, ideally, this is the, I mean, I'm not going to say it's going to go straight back up from here, but this is already kind of looking like it wants to push back up. It's a little bit of a retest of this big move down here after, well, at market open, possibly. David Mendez, want to congratulate in the last 2 days. Definitely the best around the space right now. Hey, I take that compliment very personally. Thank you. Thank you. Put a lot of work, a lot of time, a lot of effort into getting to where I'm at. So it's always nice to get a little bit of love, you know, let the chat hate when they hate, but it's always nice to get a little bit of love as well. Love is what, you know, LOL, baby. Lots of love, everybody. LOL. Like Nutty Bar would say, lots of love. You know, if we all just loved each other a little bit more, we'd be happy. LOL for everybody. Just need lots of love for everybody, chat. That's still a fucking hilarious story. He thought that LOL meant lots of love. If you guys didn't hear the story, but there was a story about how Nutty Bar, somebody texted him and told him how their grandma died or their mom died or something. And Nutty Bar responded, LOL. Oh, you funny fucking, he's a funny boy. Our little Amish Nutty Bar. Our little Amish nutty man. Nutty seems like a great guy. How could you have ever seriously hated him? That's the thing, though. Like, I don't seriously hate anybody. I mean, maybe a couple of people. But, you know, the internet obviously is, it's a bit of a show. You know, things are a little over-exaggerated here on YouTube. And also the same thing, you know, with people's feelings, I guess. You know, there's, you know, yeah, hey. People be looking, people be doing what they be doing. Right now, Nasdaq's holding up here at the 660s. Big move down so far this morning. Will we get some type of pushback up to retrace this massive move down over 100 points just before market opened up here? So let's see how they want to play this game. Nasdaq always be playing them games, man. Right now, stuck below that 14 EMA there. We are getting ready for market open up. Getting ready. Stuck there again at the 670s, right there at that 14 EMA. You can see this big move down here pre-market. Big move down. I would feel like we got to get some type of pushback up here, but I have been wrong before. VWAP is, where's the fucking, VWAP's up there at the 790s. Back down there again to the 650s. Good Lord. We got about 9 minutes here till market opens. 9 minutes, people. 9 minutes. Antonio said, at the beginning, I thought PW was a BS. Was BS, but I was wrong. Hey, thanks. Means a lot. Means a lot. Thanks for supporting. All right, going into open here, we got 8 minutes till market opens. 8 minutes till market open. Nasdaq right now just sitting down there at the 650, 660 level. Can't figure out where it wants to go. This is the low from Tuesday there at the 650s. Low from Tuesday at the 660s, 650 area. If we lose this 650, 660 area, there's a lot of room to the downside to the previous week low being that 19,344 level. So we will see what happens here at open. Looking for some big action today. It's Friday. Fresh Cash Friday, baby. Fired up for a big day. Stuck there below the 14 EMA again. 670s, 640s now. Feels weird without Nutty Bar. I feel the same way. Where's Nutty Bar? Nasdaq is just bleeding out here right now, just straight down, 630s now. Someone said it's just going lower so that it can go higher. Hey, don't apply your witchcraft logic. And you know, don't you be putting that on me, Blue. Don't you be putting that on me. Tuesday low incoming, as mentioned earlier. Oh, did you mention that earlier? Very happy to hear that. Would you like a free ticket to the VIP room? No problem, I got you. Handing out free VIP tickets all day, every day, live from the BDH. Nobody is doing it like this.
Hey Pat, so I am over the 30% rule. Do I just keep trading like normal? I was over by about 200 and I am not sure if I should put in the payout request.
What does that mean? The 30% what rule?
Can we go fishing?
Can we go fishing? Oh yeah. If you're talking about the Apex 30% rule, I don't know exactly. It's hard. Like I don't know what I don't know. I don't know how much money you made or all that. It's hard to say, to be honest. If you're over the 30% rule, I don't really, I don't know. You could always you could always request a payout and then see what they say. I don't really have like a great answer to that. Apologies. What does the BDH stand for? Big Daddy House. Wicked down there, 19,600s. We got about 4 minutes till market opens. 4 minutes till market open. I mean, that's got to be the trap, right? I mean, fuck. It's got to be the trap, right? On this move down. We got 3 minutes till market opens. 3 minutes. Big move down here so far. The Nasdaq just bleeding out since 19,800 down there to the 19,600s. So we're cranking. Nutty Bar lives in Ohio, yeah. Whatever you want to do, but there's no way to build them in there, then they're stuck in there forever. I got some guys here building some desk. The new desk for the BDH finally arrived. Everyone's all fired up for the new BDH setup. Sent Nutty Bar back to the closet. Nutty Bar is back trading in the closet. That poor guy. Get him out of the closet, chat. Get him out of there. We got 2 minutes till market opens up here. 2 minutes. Woo! PW, did you close the new boat deal? Not yet, but possibly today. We'll see.
Take a look at the one-day time frame and look at the bear flag breaking to the downside.
Oh, I know about the bear flag. I am not an idiot. I have other charts pulled up, guys. I know that there's a bear flag that we just broke. But I mean, we need some type of push. A little bit of a pushback up here to short. We got 30 seconds here. 30 seconds till market open. 30 seconds. Can we get the push? Hey, I think Rips is going to come in April. What is it, March, April? Yeah, so Rips will be here next month. Got big stuff happening live at the BDH. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's Fresh Cash Friday, baby. Will we get a squeeze here? Nasdaq, big move down. Will the bears control the momentum here, or Nasdaq want a boner candle back up there towards the 700s? They're trying. See if we get that push back up there towards that 680, 690 area, 700 area one more time. We got a pivot point right there at the 708s, by the way, 708 pivot point. Little push up here so far, straight up, 680s, 690s coming up there. There we go, 690s now. Can you take me higher? What, 700's not going to break? Yeah, right. There, look at that move from the 600s now up there to the 700s, straight up. Straight up. Straight up. Wowzers. Like I said, needed a little bit of a pushback up here. Needed a little bit of a pushback up. Come on. It wouldn't be that easy, would it? All right, so the ES, the Nasdaq, both pushing back up. The ES held Monday's low so far. Nasdaq already broke through Monday's low. Now we see if this starts to reverse back down after that big move to the downside here. They're 19,700 getting stuck or on the Nasdaq, and look at it right back down now. What a wild market today. This should start moving lower now. Right there, the 640, 630s. We lose that 640, 630 area. I think we move down through the 600s next, but they're trying to hold it up there for now. We got stuck right there at the 690, 700s, right there at that pivot point. There's 640, 630s trying to go. Sellers looking in control right now to get through that 630 area here. There's a breakthrough 630s now. They're still holding up that 640, 620 area down there. Holy guacamole. We're right back up here again. It's going to be a good day for the 15-minute range, my friends. Good day for the 15-minute range here. Bulls and bears are battling here. It's a fucking battle if I ever seen one. Crazy times. Right back up there above the 14 EMA again, but this is just a massive chop zone, this range now. We're stuck inside that 2-minute candle opening range here for now. Being patient. We've got the gap fill, yesterday's close up there, 19,870s. Right there, the 670s trying to break through there, possibly. Again. A lot of volatility here. Back down again. Right in the middle of that range here. $630s again. Take out that 630 area. Got to make new lows here. The Dow already making new lows as well. $620s one more time. That pre-market low is right there at the 600s. Holding up at the 600s again, but 620s looking weak here, but just right there, man. Still holding up at the 600s. $650s now. 650s right now, trying to hold it down. If they stay below that 650s, try to make a new low here, but a back above that 650s could squeeze again, but right now 650s holding it down there. Market going nowhere quick. Again, testing that 650 area. $630s holding up there. It's not getting that good movement yet. It's just stuck here. Very tight here. 630, 650 in the middle of that, just 630, 650 area here. Just holding up for now. Back up there again through the 650s. Will we start to push? Little pushback out there, 670s now. Ooh. Looks like the bulls are stepping up here once again, squeezing. All right, Nasdaq here at the 670, 660 area. Will we get a break to the upside through that 700 area there next? Possibly. The ES just squeezed back up. The Dow also trying to push back up here. Some wicks there again at the 690s, holding it down. Still just stuck there below the 700s for now. Got the VWAP all the way up there at 755s. 755 VWAP now. That previous high there at the 710s. Right there below the pivot point. See if we get through there. 700s again, pushing. ES, nice little push up here on the ES for now. The ES showing a little bit more strength back up there to that pivot point, kind of like the Nasdaq here, but they're both just running into some trouble there now. NQ, what are you going to do? Pivot point there, the 790s is holding it down for now. Back down there, 660s again, kind of tapping into that support from the weekly kind of low down there. Right now, kind of bouncing off that 14 EMA, sorry, 14 EMA right now. Bouncing there, but not looking too hot. If we lose that 660 area, it could be trouble. Momentum just chopping around here so far. Got the 15-minute range is now set. Put the Lux Algo 15-minute range indicator on there. We're holding up in the middle of that 15-minute range right now. Your first target out of that breakout would be that 760 area, back up there towards the VWAP now. Get through that, got to get through that pivot point, the 7s. 700s here. Oh. We got stuck at the top of the 15-minute range right now. Well, 2 minutes out of the 15-minute range here, so see if we get the... We got to hold up here at the middle of the 15-minute range. Hold the middle of the 15-minute range and try to get that push here. Trying to break out here. Just needs to go. ES is kind of the same exact chart right now as the Nasdaq. Trying to break the 15-minute opening range. Again, testing 700s. Opening range high, getting tested here. There we go. Love to see it. All right, can we go to the VWAP there next? We broke out of the opening range. Trouble there at that pivot point. There's that pivot point right there, 708s. A little bit of trouble there for now. Bum bum ba bum ba bum 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 bum. Where's she gonna go? Still holding up above the middle. As long as we stay above the middle of the 15-minute opening range, it's bullish. If we get below the middle of the 15-minute range, then we can start looking for some shorts here. The indicator on the chart right now is Lux Algo opening range break and targets. You can type it up, put it on TradingView. It's free. Check it out if you like. All right, now trying to push. Can we move to the VWAP there next? There towards that VWAP level. VWAP right now at 748s. Can we get there? Dow's having some trouble. ES is having some trouble. Doesn't mean the Nasdaq can't reach out here and tap into that VWAP. Doesn't mean it. Does not mean it can't do it. She wants it. She needs it. Nasdaq up there into the 30s now. Can we get that push to the VWAP? Good Lord, so close. VWAP pushing. All right, all right. Nice little push here out of the opening range. Up there to the 740s now. We got above that pivot point there, and now that yellow line getting tapped. Boom. All right, now that's right there to the VWAP and pulling back there now. Well, okay. If we lose, like I said, if we lose the middle of this 15-minute range, it's not good. That's thick yellow line right there. Your VWAP 747s. Back to the 14 EMA once again. A little bit of a bull flag, try to push out of this level again up there, possibly up there to the 760s would be kind of out of that range, the 15-minute opening range to get through or to get up there to 760s. Both the ES and the Nasdaq, everything just kind of stuck right here. Right there at the pivot point now, 709 pivot point. Will she hold here? Will she hold? Right now, just holding there at the 710s. Candles are getting very tight here. Big move coming. Big move coming. Very tight price action right here. Big move popping. Don't go stopping. There we go. Trying to push through the highs here now. Get that push up there through the 740s. See if it goes to the 760s there next. She's trying. She wants it. got the Dow, you got the ES, everything holding up right here. So they're just kind of pushing it back up after that big drop down this morning. That Monday low 760 area. It seems like we're trying to track to right now. There we go. Trying to push 760s. Can we get all the way to the 760s is the question. Right there at the VWAP now. Your 765 is that level, the 50% of the 15-minute range. So we got the 15-minute range indicator on the chart, and it's mapping out 50% kind of deviations off of that, right? So up there to the VWAP, that 760 area is 50%. So the 50% of this opening range is then charted up there to the 760s. So a little bit of resistance there at the VWAP for now. Two-minute candle getting denied. Got 40 seconds left. Two-minute candle there. What's my VWAP settings? What's your VWAP settings? VWAP just acting as resistance there for now. Back down there to the pivot point. Ruben's in the shorts. He's in shorts, getting those ticks. Move to the back, back to the middle of the 15-minute range here. Down to the 660s possibly. Right there at that pivot point is holding up there for now. Right there at the 14 EMA for now. They lose that 700 level, the shorts are going to pile in there. So they're trying to lose that 700 level. The bears, the bulls, the battle is real. The battle is real. All right, we're losing this. This should move down to the 660s now. If you're looking for this move here. Got to get through this right there. Rest of the market's kind of pulling back here as well. You can see on the ES getting stuck there at a pivot point, moving back down here now. Ruben's out for 20 points. It's still going to go lower. It's gonna go lower. Maybe. Maybe, baby. Holding up there again. Oh, what now? Now what are you gonna do, Nasdaq? Just stuck right there. Stuck right there. The ES got stuck, pulled back. I mean, I think we're just building out a big old bear flag right now. Big old bear flag here. Holding that trend line there. Ooh, ripping back up. Okay. Get Ruben, Nutty Bar, and Alpine all here at the same time. That would be a lot of PP breaks. Never want to be just be clogging up my toilets. I just got a text message from Brett Simba. He just told me to lock it in. He said, Patrick, lock it in. I said, I don't know, man. I want to make more. Should I listen? Should I listen to the risk manager? Don't tell me how to trade, Brett. Don't tell me how to trade. Oh. By the way, this is my Tradeify live accounts. Been scalping this move. We got the break from the upside up there to break out of the highs, and just been kind of playing these little moves right now. We're up, what is that, 12,000 on the day in these live funded accounts with Tradeify. You can see it's live, it's real. So it is Fresh Cash Friday. It is the first day in the Tradeify accounts here. I don't know. I kind of want to make more. JK, I won't. Not bad. I got one piece of advice for you guys. If you're new to trading, if you're, new to your trading journey, Friday, lock in those profits, my friends. There is nothing worse than going into the weekend on a red day. So, Friday is not a day for greed. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. All right. I told Brett that I wasn't going to stop. I told him I wasn't going to stop. He told me just to lock it in. Good day. 10,000. I think, is that the most? Let me text him. Let me text him. I gotta see. I mean, I feel like this is gonna be end up being a really good short here. This is just stuck there. I think you got to get this pullback. Brett Simbo said I have the highest overall net P&L with Tradeify right now. Ooh! Ooh! Number one, baby. Number one on the leaderboard. PW. PW. So on the day right now, I'm going to call it $12,000. I mean, I think 6,047 plus 5,097. That's $6,000. So we are up here in our Tradeify live accounts. These are live funded accounts. I got two of these bad boys, and today logging in $12,000 on this crazy price action. Just kind of, you know, I always, it's funny because I always do better when I just take those profits, you know, just get that $1,000 profit, get that, not even the P&L, get that 10 points, get that 5 points, whatever it is, and then just look for the next little breakout setup or the next little breakdown setup and just be happy with that. It's always the days where I'm like looking for big moves where my P&L does not reflect that. So little word to the wise. Word to the wise out there. If you're you know, battling the trends and having issues and all that fun stuff, well, sometimes the best plan is just to lock it down, man. Lock it down. Lock it down. Someone said, show us how you scalp. You showed me how you scalp, boy. I mean, I pretty much like this. Shorter there at 708, cover there at 94s. Took this long here at the 49s, sold at 69s, took a long here at 77s, sold, all the way up into this push to the highs. Kind of like added into this here and then just dumped it all there. Probably could have got some more out of it. And there's, I think we're going downtown, boys. I don't want to, this obviously is not financial advice, but if we lose the middle of this 15-minute range, if we lose the middle of the 15-minute range, we move down there through the 600s next. Either the boat, we gotta lose this 660 area. Try to lose that range there. Mantim said, he said to himself, it's Friday, be very careful, don't ruin the weekend. What'd he do? Not that. Oh, God. Been there, done that, my friend. Been there, done that.
Purchase your tracks today.
I'm like very interested to see if we're gonna break out of this 15-minute range to the downside, or are we just gonna chop here? Look at that, right back up off the middle of the 15-minute range. Back up to the 700s. Good thing I didn't get short there. Good thing. Because that would not have been fun. Need Brett to shoot over some accounts. He's going to be here next week. Brett Simba will be here next week trading live. Maybe we'll have a little battle, a little live trading battle. Me versus the CEO of Tradeify. Who's a better trader, the CEO of Tradeify or the guy who's in the live account? I think we know. I think we know. How much drawdown? So I set up the accounts, the Tradeify accounts. I set them up. I basically transferred all of my profits that I could into those accounts. And I have now, I've got a basically Brett was like, what do you want? You know, what do you want for blah, blah, blah. And I said, I wanted a $5,000 daily loss limit. I wanted to be able to trade a maximum of 10 contracts. And that's just like personally for me, because I know like if I lose more than $5,000, like there's a very low chance that I'm going to be able to get back green. So I put the $5,000 max loss limit on the account. That doesn't mean I'm going to do that, but that is my max loss per day. And that allows me, because I have $33,000 now, that allows me, you know what? Like five, you know, basically like 5 days of trading. I could have 5 losing days and not blow up these accounts. So I could make the daily loss limit larger, but I was like trying to more so focus on consistency more than anything here. So that was kind of my plan. Nasdaq just could not get through that 660 area, and that was kind of that low of the 944. Look at this thing straight back up now. 6 days. Yeah, 6 days. Price action. This is, again, it's OPEX Friday. You got a lot of stuff going on in the market. Normally, this is historically a terrible day to trade. Very choppy, very inconsistent price action. I think next week, next week it's going to get better. If you're having a hard time this week, trust me, it's not just you, it's a lot of traders. I see the numbers with the prop firms. I see the commissions. And let's just say the numbers have been very high this week. There's been a lot of people blowing up, a lot of resets. So right now, 80% off at Apex. Hey, I'm not saying you should go load up on accounts, but I mean, hey, just putting it out there. Also, Tradeify is on sale. Take Profit Traders on sale. There's so many sales happening. It's hard to keep track. You get 30% off with Tradeify. I like the straight to funded accounts. I'm a big fan of these straight to funded accounts. I've had a lot of success with them. I've taken over $15,000 3 times in payouts from the 5 accounts. Right now, the ES is just kind of stuck here. The Nasdaq stuck here in that 15-minute range. This is just not a good spot, right? We talked about this before market open. The idea of basically the Nasdaq, that big move down, market opens up, we consolidate. That's normal, right? Like we know that that's normal price action. A big move down, what happens next? Consolidation. And what are we doing? Well, we're just chopping around and we're consolidating. Am I gonna go live for Power Hour? Probably not. I think I'm gonna go fishing. I'm gonna go fishing. Little afternoon fishing. My son's here for spring break, so we're gonna go fishing this afternoon. And I think that's a good plan right there. Very, very nasty right now. Probably not. I'm not going to be streaming all day, by the way, guys. I'm going to lock in this $12,000 in profit probably and then be done here sooner than later. As much as I want to make more money, I also don't want to give back any profits. Nasdaq again pushing up here. Very volatile here. You can just see a lot of resistance here for now. 720 area holding it down below this VWAP. It's hard to get long right there, man. I played with fire enough times to know that if you keep playing with it, you're gonna get burnt. I got lucky this morning. Got a couple little scalps in and made some money, but I could have easily turned a green day into a red day if I continue to trade this chop here. Trying to save your guys' accounts here, help you out. Anybody out there, all the haters that are like, he makes all his money off people blowing up. Well, I'm also sitting here telling you don't trade this. I can sit here and tell you to go all in, go, buy, blow up, reset, use my code, but I don't. You know, but I don't. I mean, in theory, we should break through this high and move up there towards the 760s, but that's not enough for me to get long here. Like I said earlier, as long as we're holding up above the middle of that 15-minute range, the bulls are in control here. They get it back below that 660s, then they're in trouble. I love seeing people in the chat that are like, I'm up 2,000, I'm locking it in, I'm done. That's epic, right? That is the goal here, my friends. You're not gonna fucking become a millionaire in one day, but guess what? You will blow up your account in one day. So you tell me what's the play. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, we got 600 likes here. We got thousands of people watching. Let's get that like button going. You know, let's get that like button up there. Get that like button going. How much are the resets if you purchase with 9%? The resets are not 9% off. Right there at the VWAP again, just tapping. Tap in the VWAP. Just tap it over. Tap it over to VWAP. Just tap it in. Just tap it in. Just tap it in. Just tap it in. All right, they're trying to break out here. There's the breakout, I'd say. Little breakout there, boys. Well, I guess the theory worked out. I said that in theory, this should push up there. I didn't take the trade, but if you see here, little kind of a bull flag. off of that. I think this is 21 EMA here. Oh God, it got rid of it. Should I go with 14 EMA or 21 EMA? This is the 14 EMA. Ugh. There she goes. There she goes. Shit fuck. The FOMO is real. Now I'm looking at this like, oh my God, why did I not go long there, you know? Why? Why did I not go long there? That middle of that 15-minute range there held up as support. This is the Lux Algo opening range breaks. Guys, if put this on your chart, check it out. I'm telling you, it's a free indicator. It's been really great. Ruben showed us when he was here. We already traded the 15-minute range. Obviously, it's not like a new idea, but if you go on TradingView, you type in Lux Algo ORB right there. Opening range with breakouts and targets right there. Lux Algo. Check it out. It's free. Lux Algo ORB. It'll pop up. Yeah, you can just sign. Thank you. What the fuck is that? Got a package. So, just putting that out there. If you want to check it out, it's totally free. And there's that 760 area. 763 getting tapped. Oof. Oof. I want more. That was such a nice breakout, too. Such a nice breakout there. Ugh. That was sexy. That was sexy right there. Just holding up. Look, we're holding up at the 21 EMA there. We're holding it up. We're holding that 700 area. We kind of dipped below 700. We got right back up. We turned 700 into support again. Big breakout. Bang, bang, bang. Above the high of this candle for 40 points to the upside. Too easy. Too easy, chat. Look at it, still going. Let's go. Martin's up $1,400 on all of his accounts.
I'm up $1,400 each on my 50K pod.
Oh, whoa. Let's go. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. We're doing it live here from the BDH. We got more guests coming in next week. More fun, more action. Kind of a mellow day here today. I didn't want to go too crazy. I knew it was going to be OPEX, kind of that last Friday of the month. What's the end of day prediction? No predictions for end of day. No, thank you. Don't need to predict what's going to happen at the end of the day because I ain't going to be here. I'm going fishing, boys. I'm going fishing. Fishing so good. Call Ruben again. Ruben! He's up. Ruben's up $1,800 on the day. Dung Do's done. Dung done. Hey, it's Dung done. See what I did there? You see what I did there? All right, now we're above the VWAP here. Where do we go next? My settings for the Lux Algo opening range break and targets. There's my settings. Take a screenshot. It'll last longer. Tradeify.
Great work today. The no red days at Tradeify PW streak continues.
Tradeify. Tradeify. Well, we did it, boys. We got her done. Made some money today. It's Fresh Cash Friday. First day in the live funded Tradeify accounts. I said I was going to try to put up some profits today. Let the world know Daddy's here. Let the world know who the #1 day trader on YouTube is. Right here, right now, baby. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Oh. Right now, just hold up there at the VWAP. Holding up at the VWAP here. Holding up at the VWAP. The ES, still below the VWAP here on the ES. That pivot point right there, 5,675s. All right, Nasdaq just holding up here. The ES is right below the VWAP. Nasdaq, 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 what you gonna do? I mean, it's moving up, but it ain't pretty. It ain't pretty. You look at these, the 10-minute chart, look at the 15-minute chart. It's not pretty. So I think it's okay to avoid this not prettiness. I like like we said before, I like them pretty trades, boys. 4-hour chart. Yeah, I mean, it's just same thing, huh? Am I gonna open my own prop firm? Nah. Why would I do that? I'm already making so much money. You know, don't overcomplicate making money. I'll tell you that. It's one secret. If you want to get rich, figure out the easiest way to make money with the least amount of work and effort. Running a prop firm is a lot of work and a lot of effort. I would not want to do that. I like what I'm doing now. I could basically just do whatever I want to do whenever I want to do. And I answer to only myself. It's a much better place, honestly. I mean, obviously you got to work smart, not just it's not just like, oh, just do the easiest thing, but figuring out how to use your time wisely. Life is short. Last thing I want to do is spend 10 hours a day running a prop firm. The deal that I got right now is pretty good either way, so I'm happy with that. Right now, the Nasdaq is holding up there at the VWAP. I mean, look at these candles. It just, we pretty much just have retraced this whole big move down. We had about a 200 point move down before the market opened, and now we've just kind of retraced that. I don't love it. Like, it's just, I would not be wanting to get long up here. And I keep saying that, but like, there's a reason that I'm not putting on more trades. And it's not just because I'm trying to be, you know, safe. Because I don't like it. I don't like it up here. I don't like it. You know, I don't like it. I don't like it. Kind of holding up right there at the VWAP for now. I mean, look at that 2-minute chart. Ew. Guys, like, look at this price action right now. That is not good price actions. The yellow indicator on the chart right now is the VWAP. That's the VWAP there, that yellow line. Like, what do? You go long, you go short here? Well, you know, what's the best option? It's hard to say. There's not, I mean, I'm looking at like multiple time frames and it's not looking good either anywhere. My VWAP settings, I don't really change my VWAP settings. People always ask me this, but this is my exact settings for VWAP there. Charles E, are you green or red today? I don't know, Charles. Where the fuck have you been? Charles, I want you to apologize right now for even asking some stupid fucking question like that. Patrick, are you red or are you green? Well, guess what, Charles? If I was green or if I was red, would it change your life? Would you be happier? Would you be better? You know, would you? Would you? Would you? Would you, Charles? But yes, I'm green. Thanks for asking, Charles. $12,000 in my Tradeify live funded accounts. Woo! All right. I mean, this is gonna be the pullback, right? Right? Tools by Sage. Hey, Patrick, long time no talk. What do you mean no long time no talk? You talk about me all the time on fucking Twitter, you moron. Just because I don't talk to you don't mean no long time no talk. I see what you post. Your bullshit. How many prop firms have you gotten fired from? Keep my name out of your mouth. You leech. Yeah, he laughs about it because he knows. Most insignificant person in this whole industry. I work at prop firms. I know everything about Tradeify. Shut the fuck up. You don't know shit. Exactly. How much money do you make, Sage? What? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Get out of here. Huh, 19,730s. Sitting there right below the VWAP. No, there's two Sages. There is a Sage, the trader, and then there's Sage, the gossip queen, Twitter person who thinks that they actually have some type of insight into the prop firm space, but really they've just been fired from two, and yeah, I don't know. It's not the MFT Sage. We are now right here at the VWAP. I mean, sorry, not the VWAP, the pivot point there. That's 700 level. They take it straight down through the 700s. Right there at that pivot point, just holding up for now and chopping. Everything that like looks like it wants to sell down just like starts chopping again. Oh, people paying money to roast people on my channel. You gotta love it. Barack Obama, just because you got a fucking dumb name, you're banned from the chat. And you asked a dumb question. Banned. Right to the VIP. Right to the VIP. C Senor just subscribed. Oh, I know you, C Senor. It's C Senor. Hello, C Senor. C. Nasdaq trying to break out here to the upside once again. Just chopping around. There she goes. Right there at the VWAP. terrible. Terrible price action here. Absolutely terrible. Absolutely terrible price action. Someone says, okay, this time it drops. Okay, now we're gonna go up. Time to go long, boys. Time to go long. The chat has spoken. The chat has spoken. It works 99% of the time. 99% of the time, all the time, boys. Just sitting right there at the VWAP, very tight price action. Good golly, Miss Molly. Market's going nowhere quick. I'm happy that I'm going fishing and I'm not going to sit here all day long and stare at this chart. But you know what's going to happen? The minute that I walk away, this thing's going to go to the moon. So just, well, you know, sometimes the moon's below us as well. You know, it's not always up. Just stuck here below that 760 area. Try to get it above the 60s here next. They're holding up at the VWAP there. Keep holding that VWAP, just like bouncing there now. 5-minute chart, I mean, it's all just stuck here. It's all just stuck. Wild. It's always funny because, like, you know, we talk about like, oh, what to expect today, like, oh, expect a lot of chop and crappy price action on OPEX, and then it happens and you're like, man, this sucks, market sucks. Like, damn it, man, this market's terrible. Like, you're surprised, like, why are we surprised, you know? That's what I want to know. Why am I surprised here? Trump speaking on 11, maybe better movement after that. Maybe. Maybe, baby. Or maybe not. I don't know, chat. I just don't know. It's hard to say. Hard to really say what's going to happen next. It's just real hard to say. It's just real hard to say. Jose, Patrick, how much have you made today? Jose, if you guess how much I made, I'll send it all to you. I'm gonna give everything to you, Jose. Everything. Exactly. Exactly, Jose. No, you're wrong, Jose. You said 6K, now you're going into the VIP room. Everybody else guessing, you're wasting your time. I mean, just don't come into the stream and fucking first thing you write in the chat, Patrick, how much you make today? Just like, don't ask. Don't do it. Like, well, just don't do it. Dinesh Jawawas. Why am I so rude? I don't know. You want to go to the VIP experience as well? Everybody worried about how much I made, but how much the fuck you make? How much money did you make today, Jose? Exactly. Just shut it. Shut it, boy. All right, Nasdaq once again trying to do something here, but is it going to happen? Is it possible? Can the Nasdaq make a move? Maybe, maybe not.
Dot the engineer on the beat.
She's pumping up there to the 760s now. Just hard to get excited about this pump right here because every little pump has just been dumped afterwards, but maybe Daddy Trump can get us going here. Daddy Trump wants to go. Oh, good. Oh, good Lord. Like, where, like, what is this? Where does that come from? Like, what? What? You know, like, what? How does that just happen? How does this happen? One. Oh, the phone. I gotta get out of it. I gotta walk away, boys. I gotta walk away now. I gotta get out of here. I gotta take my $12,000 in profit and I gotta go. I gotta go. Look at this thing. Miss another kind of breakout there. We're up 12,000 on the day. We got our new Tradeify live funded accounts that we're trading in first day. I could take a payout, by the way. Make that very clear. I could take a payout here, but my goal, I told Brett, I want to get these accounts going. I want to get them. I want to run them up. I want to run them up. I don't really need the money, so like for me to take a payout, it doesn't really help me. I know that sounds like fucked up, but it doesn't really help me to take a payout. I won't really. What am I gonna do with $5,000 in the bank? Not much. So we've basically the way it works is once you go through the straight to funded account, I took 3 payouts. I then was moved into the live funded account. I've got
Go now. You are up 12K. Who can say that of themselves?
I've got 2 live funded accounts. Both accounts started out with I think 27,000 in each account, and then I have a maximum. I made the rules kind of for myself because I wanted to make sure that I don't blow these up really quickly. So I've got $5,000 max daily loss limit. So that allows me to have, you know, six red days basically before I blow up these accounts. And I'm not gonna say it's impossible to have 6 red days, but I shouldn't, you know, like I shouldn't, but it could happen either way. So Nasdaq pushing 780s. That next target would be 815, the standard deviation. Look at it. Fuck. Now it goes. Now it goes. Tyrad, will you give me a prop challenge for calling correctly if it hits 20,180 on Monday or today? I called buys from 19,632. Did you? Did you do that? Really? Well, I got a special place for you. I got a good place for you to go check out. It's the VIP room. That way you can share all of your entries and exits with everybody else in the VIP room. It's going to be really good. You're going to have a great time in there. You're going to have a real good time in there. Trader Backtest said, let me join VIP. I got you, dog. No problem. I got you. No problem. How much does the VIP cost? You just fuck around and you'll find out. Basically, you fuck around long enough, you'll find out about the VIP room. So, yeah, there you go. Fuck around, find out. VIP, baby. All right, I think that's a wrap. Freshcast Friday. I'm not gonna FOMO into this fucking move now. No, thank you. But ugh. Can I do a walk around of the car? I don't know. What do you mean a walk around? I walked around the car. Are you happy now? He's happy. All right, I'm happy with that. I mean, this is always where I fuck myself. It's weird to say that on the internet, but this is exactly where my $12,000 day turns into a red day, because I try to go long up here and then it pulls back, and yeah, I'm not gonna fuck around with it. Self-growth. I'm like Gandhi over here. I'm trying to be better. I'm trying to be a Buddhist. You gotta breathe in, breathe in, breathe out. Goose fraba, goose fraba. I'm happy with that. So it's painful. It's so weird. Why is this so? It's so weird, man. I gotta stop this. Whatever is going on in my brain, I gotta stop it, because I'll be honest, like, the FOMO is real right now. I don't know why, but I made $12,000. I'm still not happy. It's a problem. I gotta get rid of that. I don't know why, but lately I've just been way too greedy. I've been too greedy, man. I just want to make more, you know? More money, more money, more money. But I know what happens. It won't be good. It won't be good. I will say the live account definitely, you definitely don't get the same fills that you get with sim funded, that's for sure. So I think I'm gonna walk away. The best idea for me right now is to just stop, turn the computer off, get the fuck out of the BDH. Don't come back. Don't look at the charts. Don't talk about it. Don't even, don't even tempt yourself. That's what I'm gonna try to do. No power hour, no bullshit. I'm gonna go fishing. I'm gonna take my $12,000. I'm gonna enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next Monday. Right? I think that right there, my friends, is the play. That's gonna make my weekend a lot better, because if I turn a $12,000 day into a red day, I'm gonna be very, very butthurt, and my weekend's gonna be terrible. And my son's here. We got a lot of stuff to be grateful for. We had an amazing week with everybody here at the BDH. The chat was absolutely supportive and amazing, and everybody supporting everything. I mean, it was a good week, man. We had a really good week. So let's end it on a good note. If you're red today, if you're red on the week, whatever it is, hey, there's always next week, baby. But the one thing you want to do here is remember that it is not, trading is not just simply fucking just make money, make money, make money. Trading is knowing when to trade, knowing when to walk away, knowing when to sit on your hands. If I could be better at sitting on my hands, I'd make a lot more money. That right there, if I just simply sat on my hands more often than not, I would make a lot more money as a trader. And that's the moral of the story here today. Could I make more money? Maybe. But at the same time, do I really want to do it? You know, do I really want to? Do I want to? Probably not. Look at, oh, if this thing goes to 820 next, oh God, a little bit of a bull flag pulling back here into that 14 EMA again, but I just gotta stop looking at it, man. I gotta stop. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna walk away. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna talk to you guys later on. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. I will be back next Monday, Mega Money Mondays. We're back to the normal schedule. We got some special guests next week. We're getting the new desk set up, the new setup. Everything is looking real good. I'm excited because, well, it's only going to get better. The BDH is just a ever-evolving creation of Patrick Wieland, and it's only going to get better. So, whew. I love you guys. I'll see you all next week. Again, big thank you for everybody. It was a lot of fun this week. I know Nutty Bar, I know Alpine, everybody had a really good time. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I know there are other YouTube channels that you can go watch, but hopefully you keep coming back here because you never know. You might do a big deal, might have a special guest, might get some banger trades. Either way, we're going to have a lot of fun. And, well, that's it, my friends. Big thank you. I'll see you guys next week, Monday. Mega Money Mondays. Fresh Cash Friday today. We locked in the fresh cash. Monday, we'll be back to do it again. Peace to the Middle East. Later.
Guys, I think I figured it out. ICT is confused. I don't want to say retard, but he's a retard. The point of day trading is to make money. I know he's pretty dumb, but I think he's confused. Insane. Now we're friends.
Listen, anybody and everybody that's going to come and contact you, you tell them exactly what my account's sitting at. And I sat there and I pushed. I sat there, pushed, and I fucking really pushed. And I sat there, pushed.
Going down hard. Oh my God. Little yes.
I sat there,
Going down hard. Oh my God. Little cunt. I got this. So much power. Don't worry, guys. Can you take me higher? I got this. So much power. Don't worry, guys. I know exactly how to make the market go. Winner, chicken dinner. It's hard to day trade. It's easy to sell a course. Winner, chicken dinner. If you're not making money when you're sleeping, you're not making money. Winner, chicken dinner. Literally, my girlfriend makes more money than ICT does trading. Think about that. That's fucking funny. Big drop down. Move my stop. Big drop down. Big drop down, daddy. Big drop down. Move my stop. Big drop down. Big drop down, daddy.
push. I sat there, push.
Going down hard. Oh my God. Little cunt. Yes.
I sat there, push.
Going down hard. Oh my God. Little cunt. Vertigo.